Cedric,
well, I'm doing a slime video because I didn't know if I was, but I am. So let's get started.
Alright, so
little brother, I need this.
stop. This might start off with the blue.
Yeah, whatever.
It don't matter. Tripping.
That's slimy ass one.
Oh my god.
Stop cursing.
It's recording, by the way. It went. I can't.
Cedric
Let me see it.
is
Let me see
good.
it.
Alright, you pouring too much.
Shut up.
Let me see it spoon.
What happened?
He pouring too much.
Dude, why are you touching it right now?
I probably need more shaving
You,
cream.
you need more contact solution.
No, you need more. Shut that.
Did you even put baking soda in there?
Alright.
Baking Yeah.
Then I'm gonna start.
I got bacon soda.
I ain't measure how much. What's the name?
What color?
How much baking soda?
I'm putting it.
Dang.
Oh crap! I ain't mean to put it in red.
You dummy.
Now you
Oh,
got
shoot.
red. Yo, I gotta wash my hands.
Stay alive.
Somebody turn on
Do I need more contact solution, Adrian?
Hello. I'm putting in green.
Yo, mine is
I'm
actually
putting-
slime.
I'm putting green.
I wanted a
By the way,
big.
Alright, so after that, I don't know what I've never.
Boo, 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 boo.
I just seen this, so
Hit the
I'm
roller still with the roller, yo.
I'm tripping. I gotta stir.
What are you trying to make green?
To the money. No. How would I try to make green if I put in green? If I would only.
Shut up.
Trying to make brown on it? That's brown. Green and red make brown.
Dummy.
Dang it!
it's
What was you trying to make?
I didn't even know.
Now you got brown, boy.
It's
Tell you with it.
sticky. It is crunchy.
I'm
By
tripping.
the way,
I don't know what colors I'm putting in
I
right
need more
now.
ingredients in it.
So I did.
Bro, look at this.
Mine's gonna be looking weird. I'm sorry.
When you see it, it don't look like it.
Alright, so what I put in after the glue? I ain't following none of the steps
You're
y'all
supposed to
did.
keep stirring it until it's all.
I don't know what
until
I'm
it's not
making.
sticking.
Crap.
It just
Look at
Yo,
this.
what do I put in after the glue?
Cause I put in blue
What
after I made brown. I'm making purple.
Oh, really? Yeah.
Alright.
Cedric, are you recording?
Yep. Alright.
Ooh,
After
it
this,
feels.
then I put in shaving cream.
Oh, blue.
Ooh.
You make like a bluish purple.
Yo, that actually kind of
That
looks
looks like-
sweet. That kind of looks sweet. I kind of really like that.
Somewhere I got the reddest red over here, bro.
Huh?
Somewhere mine is like
It's
the
gonna
red.
get lighter.
Can I put in these yet? Can I just
You
put
got
in-
the reddish red because you put
Trish.
less glue.
I'm gonna just put this in. Don't care.
Damn. What?
Boo, 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 boo. Hit the rollers.
Adrian,
Shaving
make some slime.
cream.
No, stop tripping.
I'm gonna drink the rest of this. Goodbye.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Whoa.
drink some glue. Watch you die.
But
What do we put in next? What do we put in next?
this is
So I
this is
guess I'm
for Elmer's glue.
Adrian's.
It's kid friendly, huh?
What we put in next?
But baking soda.
Bacon soda. I got
I put in baking soda.
Did I put in my baking soda?
No, boy.
What that bacon? Stop tripping.
That's looking like a dookie, bro.
Dude, stop. Don't.
Dookie.
What are you doing?
I'm
Is that-
stirring it.
Was that enough baking soda,
Okay,
Cedric?
that's it. That's it.
Shut up.
I said that's it. Shit.
Boo, 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 boo.
Hit the roller still with my roller on. Jack before the
Is
deal.
what the real one?
Some sneakers.
What we do?
I made gravy, yo.
And then you put shaving
Hold up.
cream.
Should I have more color?
I'll do
How you
this.
gonna ask
I'll
them
be
but
back
when
when
the
I
video
find the
come
food coloring.
out? You
Alright,
gon'
well, that was a slime video.
Yo, look at my slime.
That is some emotion.
That was our slime video. Tripping. But that was a slime video. And I'll be back tomorrow with another vlog. So I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.